Hello friends, welcome to the Kitchen Kingdom. Today I'm going to share with you two potato recipes. These are evening tea time snacks which are a must try. So let's get into the first recipe. I've taken around 4 potatoes and mashed them with hand or using any fork and mash them until it becomes smooth like this. Okay, later into this I'm adding 1 teaspoon ghee. Don't add too much of ghee, just add only one teaspoon. Okay, give it a good mix. Later I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of corn flour and again I am mixing it all together. Later I'm adding 2 big tablespoons of rice flour into it and give it another mix with your hand nicely until the flour blends with the potato mash. And later add salt as per your taste and prepare dough like this and take some dough out of it and roll it into a ball. Prepare small balls like this and by rolling it between your palms, and this size will be good enough. Prepare balls out of the dough and later heat the oil and oil reaches high temperature, then turn the flame to medium heat. So on medium flame we need to fry these balls until they attain golden color. So once they attain golden color like this, take them out of the pan using spatula like this. They will be perfectly cooked inside and outside. They will be crunchy and crispy outside and soft and perfectly boiled inside. So do try this recipe at home and it tastes perfect, and tomato ketchup is the best combination for this recipe. So do try these potato balls at your home. They taste delicious and perfect tea time snack. The next item is potato fingers. These fingers are crunchy and crispy and taste very closer to French fries. Let's jump into the process, and for this I've taken around 4 mashed boiled potatoes. So I've mashed them very well and I'm adding red chili powder around 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon jeera powder and half teaspoon garam masala powder and salt as per your taste. And I've taken handful of chopped coriander leaves. I've chopped them finely. Later I'm adding half teaspoon jeera into it and give it a good mix using your hand and keep on mixing it until masalas blend into the potato mash. Later I'm adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour and give it a good mix until flour and the mashed potato mixture binds well. So when the dough attains this consistency, the dough is perfect, and take some dough out of it and roll it using your hands like fingers. So you can make it according to your preferred height. So I'm making it around 4 to 5 inches and I made all of this out of the dough. So in order to deep fry them, I've heated oil and again I turned the flame to the medium and I'm adding potato fingers very gently and hold the fingers in the middle while dropping into the oil, otherwise they may break. So handle them gently. Once oil gets filled with the potato fingers, stop adding them. They get cooked perfectly when they have enough space to get fried. So keep on mixing it with spatula, and when they attain golden color, take them out of the pan and serve them hot. So these are the 2 recipes I want to share with you today: potato balls and crispy and spicy and masala filled potato fingers. If you like this video, do like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Kitchen Kingdom English, for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching.